George didn't dare to tell his dad to look over the tree house. If he twisted around, he might fall off the roof. So George watched in silence as the flashes came and went, some quick, some slow. After a few minutes, he realized that the pattern to them: quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick, quick. "Dad," he said cautiously, as his father thwacked himself through the thumb with a hammer. "Yoch!" George heard noises from the other side of the house. Some passers-by were hurrying along the road. "I read on the website that someone captured a werewolf," one of the unknown people said to the another, his voice carrying very clearly on the still of the night air. "What is it?" Terence now, and he had his thumb in his mouth. "What does 3 quick, 3 slow, and then 3 quick flashes with a torch mean?" "The Morse Code," said his dad thoughtfully, a mouth of damaged thumb. "It means sauce." Have you listened to this story? Well, it was about it was a fragment of the book George and the Breakable Code, and they were talking about the Morse Code. That is the one I have in the hand. So the word that they were using is sauce, and it was SOS. The dots means the quick ones, and the slow ones is dash. So the S was 3 quicks. So that's what they meant too. It was quick, quick, quick. And later with the O, it was here. It's 3 dashes. So it's slow. So it's here. Here we have 2 letters that makes this letter. So. And to make sauce, that is a word, you have to add 3 dots, and so it means sauce.
So you're right, Zink? What does each letter stand for?
Exactly.
So,
Save our souls.
very interesting. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.